Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you about the problem of not getting weather updates on Haylou LS05 and similar devices. The solution I found to this problem by chance at the time I used was to have my phone's GPS location access turned. As you can see, in a few seconds when the GPS is turned on, it corrects itself and the weather forecast for about 3 days is uploaded to our watch. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am waiting for your questions about watches, computers, printers and all electronic devices in the comments. I will reply as soon as possible. See you.